closed. Heritage Savings Association closed. Park City will open at 1. Occupational Development Center is closed. The effort at Donaldsburg Water will have deliveries today. Also closed, Miller's Smorgasbord Bakery and Country Grain, Trail Mobile Incorporated, Lancaster Commercial Travelers Company, the Millersville Council on Aging Luncheon is canceled. Sterling's Insurance closed until noon. CMB Trimming Company.
Human Sewing Center closed.
Is that ours? Yeah, that's ours. They're plowing out the intersection.
Federal Credit Union opens at 10:30. Dr. John Children and Peter DiCarlo offices are closed today. Total Vision Care closed today. Lancaster Association for Retired Citizens meeting is canceled. Morning Figurifics at Lancaster Racquetball Court Club canceled. Eden Outpatient Rehab Center
Don't you love it?
Center's Piano and Organ Store closed. All Gym Teeth aerobic exercise classes this morning only are canceled.
Smile. You love it.
The Good and Plenty restaurant is closed. Shot Studios movie.
Down there's Eric stuck in a snowdrift. There's the dog just to the left of the picture. Come here, Cassie. Cassie doesn't like this deep snow. Come here. Come here.
Dad, this is impossible.
It's only up to your thighs.
Dad.
Call the dog down there.
Huh?
Call Cassie.
Cass! Cassie, come here, come on. Look loud. Cass, come here. Come on, come here. Cass, look. Cass. Cassie, look. Cass. Oh. Come on, look.
Okay, let's go help Mom, okay?
Dad, this is impossible moving. Dad, snow is going down my leg. I want to go in. I'm going in the shallow.
Where are you going underneath the picnic table?
It makes a good board. When you're inside, I can see that there's
Is there snow underneath it?
huh?
Is there snow underneath it?
Very little, not that much.
Ah.
Dad, you should have seen. It was so funny when Cassie was trying to get through there.
Where's that?
Through the big piles.
Ah.
She got stuck, so she went back and ran into them. She went right through one. She got stuck. She ran as fast as she could. She hit it, but she didn't go through it, so she ran back. To hit about here, and she ran through it. Now through it.
Couldn't you ski in this?
No, I don't think.
pile shots are geared up and ready to go for game number 2. It's this Wednesday, February 25th.
Want my dog?
Shots take on the
Come here.
Lightning 97.
Put it on.
Throughout the evening, every time the alarm sounds, FM 97 will get outrageous pillow fight ever on the dance floor. Thursday, February 26th, 8 p.m. Lancaster Shawnee Resort, Route 272 North. Don't miss the fun with South Street Station, Dave Diamond, and the FM 97 Pajama Party.
Now this is February 23rd, 1987.
Pick out your new home. Make your best
On the
deal. Then all of
day before this at 8:30 p.m. it just started the flurry, and we were going to see about 2 to 4 inches of snow, and then it started snowing like 2 or 3 inches an hour overnight, and by the time the sun came up this morning we had 20 inches here. We had about 7 or 8 inches up in Harrisburg. The snow is really light but wet on the bottom. Should melt off pretty good. It's going to go to 40 degrees today. There's Eric really hitting it like he always does. He really enjoys this. Eric, you enjoy that shoveling, don't you?